Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Don Ferreira tutorial class. Today we'll be showing you how we export to Lumion. And from the last video we did, I showed you on how we did our settings, how we're able to export our files, our family to Lumion. Now I'm going to show you how we brought out those files from. If you want to send a design to Lumion, any of the design you wanted to set in Lumion, and you want to make use of Lumion tools in order to work on it, once you needed a Lumion command on it, you need to send that file alone so that Lumion will have control over that file. If you not send that file alone, Lumion will not have control over that file. So now we are sending this file. We've sent our gates to Lumion. Looking at our gate now, we found out that our gates are empty. Our gates are empty. Wow. Our gates are empty here. And also, we also sent our door. Wanted to have access to this door on Lumion. I want to have entrance to this door. I have to enter this structure in our Lumion. So if you watch, we removed the door, but we did not remove the frame. We have nothing to do with the frame. Okay, just remove the door. We have nothing to do with the frame. So based on that, we can do whatever we want to do without the frame. That is the essence of this tutorial, to show you how we remove the door and how we're going to export this and bring in the door to this place. Okay, first of all, the door has been edited. We took the door to family. Let me show you in family. The door is in family already. Open family. Excuse me. Cancel. Files. Open family. When it's in the desktop. This is the door. I have it the first swing and the second swing. Let me show you. You see it, first swing and second swing. It has been already edited. Okay, to save our time, it has been edited. I've showed you several ways of doing editing in family. So I think this tutorial is not necessary. So if you want to see how it's been done, you can check our previous video. You'll see how we do editing. We also did gate editing too. I'll place it on the family. So that's how we did that gate editing. That's how we did this door editing too. We highlighted it, we edited it, and we placed it, and we saved it in the family. Now it's in our family now. So first of all, we've not exported this to Lumion, but we exported the gates properties to Lumion. I've shown you one of the video how we exported it to Lumion. So let's close this. Let's cancel this. So first of all, let me export this to Lumion. I don't think there's anything we needed to do here. I don't think there's any other thing we needed to do here. The animation, the images I needed, I would get it all in Lumion. So let me save this file. Control S. It has not been saved before. In this version, this is 2025 version. I lifted it from 2024 and 2025. I started this design from 2009. So first of all, go to Lumion. See here, you see export. It's bringing this name for me and I'm okay with the name. Save in Corrada file. You are saving this in a Corrada file, not exported it yet. It will be saved inside Corrada file. Then you go to Lumion and now pick it up from Corrada file and import it inside your Lumion library, content library. Okay? It will now be remain inside your Lumion content library. But for now, we are exporting it to Corrada file. That's how it works. You need to export it to Corrada file, not direct to Lumion. It doesn't go direct to Lumion. To contain on a file that can be harmonized or that can be accessed by Lumion. The content of this design is much, that's why it's synchronizing this long. So let me go this way. So let's see. Okay, hope we've saved this design. Save. Yes, I've saved it before. Save. Okay, this is same file. It's still saving. It's still saving. It's here already. This is the design. It's already here. So let me do this quickly. Let's do this quickly. File. Let me load a new one. Okay, let me show you. This is when you open your Lumion, it will come here, you create new, it will bring up this value, this uh, create new project with all of this family, all of this images. You can create your designs on it. So whichever one I chooses is fine for you. So I want to use this because I have a whole lot I design on that design. So using this is to help making it get skippy and cool password. So let me use this. Highlight, double click, it will open. Loading template. It will need to load all the templates and you open before you now start importing whatever you're importing. It will take you straight to Lumion environment. Okay, it has bring me now to Lumion environment. This is the environment where I'm going to do my settings from. Remember, I told us that I'm going to import that file. I've not imported it here yet. I only saved it in a Corridor file. So now going to my import, okay, I'll go to Corridor file. I'll go to Corridor file, which I am in. I think this is the design. It has not been here before. That's why it's not asking to change name. Okay, okay. To come in, it will come in. This design has a basement. So it's one of those tedious design I've done in the past. So it's a hectic one though, but it's one of the design I've done that is having a different basement. So there's so many I've rendered also in Lumion that has such design. So maybe one of the tutorials we're going to show you how it's been done. Okay, this we have exported it from here to this place, which is our content library, And in a content library, look at it here. Like I told you, it is not, we're not sending it straight to Lumion to go to content to a library. Now it is in a library. If we can delete or can leave it there. So let's highlight. We have it now in our tool. Okay, let me zoom a bit. I need to keep it safe. Look at the entrance, look at the inner church, how it looks like. Okay, this is the inside, how it looks like. We're going to fix all of that. I think I'm okay here. I've dropped it. Move the file. Let me pick up material. Look at the design we've gotten. This is the design we've gotten. It's now on Lumion. Okay. Meanwhile, something is missing here. First of all, the project picking it up. Yeah, yes, I want it to be deleted. To take it out from the corridor file equally, to get in another, delete. Okay, pencil. Okay. Don't think this command will really want, it's like this thing is remaining here. Let me see, let's just see. Let's go here quickly. Let's go here quickly. Let's see. The masking is on, is off. You can see the masking is off. Let's check architecture. Okay. Masking. Show masking. You see, we have so many designs that we did with masking material, all the curves and a whole lot we've done with masking. So losing that masking of a thing really take us to cost us a whole lot. So let me just do quickly, do save again, Control S. Okay, let me take it again to Lumion. This is how to do it. Yes, the same name to corridor file. That's it. Reason it's saving the corridor file with the same name because I've deleted the one I came in with. So I don't want to have my Corona file clustered with similar design. Okay, like it did before. It's going to synchronize, to take its time to synchronize because it's having a whole lot of components in it. So it has a basement. It has a basement, like I've said before. It has a basement, and it has different floor. So coming into Lumion, we're going to set a whole lot of things. So here, we go here, come in here, import it into Lumion, just like we did initially. Okay, importing into Lumion. Like I said before, it's not going. I don't think it's going to work because that design have not left. So I'm going to say, I just want to add let me add one to it to have changes to what it has in. Okay, this is what happened. I have it there before, so it cannot go until I delete that thing, that phase, and I couldn't open it because there's no component on ground. So there's no a file on the ground on the screen, so it could not open to import more. So you need to export first, bring it in before that file will get open. Okay, okay, it's here now. This is what should be. It's having one attached to it. This one doesn't have one attached to it. So I can just do this and delete. No, did I? I wanted to delete what I've imported. I want to bring this out. Double click. Okay, we'll have it out again. We're going to set all the our materials to take it back a bit. And so okay, it's okay like this. So we have it now, and we have a masking attached to it. Escape, leave the tools. Look at the masking attached to them. We use it to do our copying and parapets as well. So first of all, quickly, for design purpose, we've done this modification before on on our on our 3D. We've done this design before on Lumion. I knew how to modify, but then my this the echo if I should take out value, it should come up. If should take out value, so I need to take out value. I need to make it negative here to start. Let's see one. Okay, negative is making it go down more. Let's spin. Two is taking it. Okay, but at this height, we still have. Let me use end of it equally. Let me see. Here should be 4. At 4, let's see what is okay. It's yielded. This happened 0.5, 3.5. Deal with it. Save, save as. What project is this? Okay, coming. Then let's save it now. That's saved. Okay, that's saved. Let's go here. Still see the project. So let's bring in our file which we had in Revit. So first of all, let me show you how to bring in from family, because this is the reason why we came here, so we can do this video fast, quickly. In the next video, on how to start setting. I have a whole lot of setting to do here. Revit. This is Revit. Then let's go to family. First of all, it's in family. You need to open a new property project for it. A new project. A new project. You need to open a new project. You need to open a new project. New project. Yes. A new project altogether that could home the family you are bringing up. You bring up a new project that could home the family you are bringing up. Therefore, the new project which you are bringing here, first of all, you need to set a property. And this is correct. Unit property need to be set. Square millimeter. Okay. Feet and foot. Okay. Is here where I did it now. The distance is in feet. Take it to millimeter. Okay. The length. Okay. Taking it to millimeter. Okay. Mass density in kilogram per cubic meter. Okay. The rotating ratio of rotating is in degrees. Okay, I'm okay with that. Ratio in the should be in degree also. In slope should be in degree. I'm gonna say speed should be in meter per second. Okay. My timing is in seconds. Let me just change the volume. Should be in cubic meter. Okay. Okay. Now we've done that of that. Okay. So it's not necessary though, but let's just do it quickly. The elevation, check the elevation. Let's go to elevation. Take this slope, this view, east view. First of all, let me check this dimension. Let me go closer. I want to set the elevation like we've done in our video before now. If you checked, you've not seen how to do these settings, you should go to our previous video to see how it's been done. Okay, this is a new page already, a new project file already. We're going to save it. But meanwhile, let me add more levels to it. First of all, let me highlight this. Simile, scope, grid level. Let me take it 4 meter. Think I'm okay with this number. It's okay. 3 meter, 3 meter is okay. Now I'm not gonna see it though. I'm not gonna see it. Let me drop this file. I'm not gonna see it. Let me just go to view so I can be able to see it. Components. Yes. Open this one too. Okay. Can see it now. Let me go to level one. Level one. Let me import my family. Architectural components. Load family. Okay, this is the door we're talking about. Left swing. You see left swing, it should open this way, right? So we're going to place our pivot points at this point. So I can go this way. For those of you that for the last tutorial we did in Gates, I explained this vividly on how to place your pivot. We're doing it now again, should in case you didn't follow up. So let's say, okay, open. Now it's opening. Yes, what's happening? It's moving from, need to move from the higher version, the lower version to the higher version. And it's saying something yes. It cannot be loaded here. What it's saying, wow, it's not in category family. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Probably we'll have to create another door. I'll have to create another door to have a door there. This is it. Let's load here. Load family. Okay, let's see if we have one in the material. Okay, this is design we did in let me see if we have better design here. Okay, let me do this quickly also. Since it has since this design is here, let me also load this here. Let me see it here to load. Since I have the same door here, let me use it here to load. Wow, all the doors are out from here. Wonderful. I lost all the doors when for importing them. We have to go out again. So I can bring in the whole doors again. Okay? Because that's why it's not recognizing it in this family. Because it did not bring it up from this family. Follow us in our next video because of time. So let's